Okay, so this is a patchisode because um, we didn't done the final series, so Firebug 4. The difference between raw and the final version is that the versions, but everything CSS and look and feel wise on that episode. And I don't want to record another one. Um, Unrehearsed. We'll patch it up, and then we'll send it in as the basis for the next episode. So down in here, Firebug 4 final in our branches. And I want to have some Firebug 5 with. So that's right now. So just comparing between React App and Planner, like what else do we have, right? We still have this like weird bar thing that he doesn't use, right? Waits that new item. So that's a nice interface. And then all our buttons don't work. Whereas would like to do that. One, you can create all these blank things without filling in any of them. So I think I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to have one. Well, I think that's all the preamble I have to say. Let me just. It's type or to a to-do type. So all this are kind of like, it's understood how to do them. I just have to get it done. Well, first thing I'm going to check off the list is just this like planner versus React app thing. I don't like seeing that there, so just search for React app here. Planner, why not? What else do I want? Why is this not okay? What else do I want? I want this notes to look better. So here. So everything's separated with a nice little border like this. And it's got a nice and the div should have a border bottom. So let's see where in the hierarchy we want to. So this is. We go. Okay, so to-do list. These are essentially the same that is back. We should have display, just the to-do type. Okay, well, then we go. And let's see what we're all about. So intro. Okay. Let's go over here. See what's going on. How even is that? That is just invalid code that I don't use. Doesn't make sense. It's layout body, and then I should have a div. I don't think that's how this is done. So it's the panel, whole thing. And then it's individual divs um, for every inside another div with the content editable thing. So that's the UL over here. Okay. So I have a div. I don't know why my replacement editable. And the div should have I guess, the reflex direction column. So class new list wrapper. You know what? And then every child do list wrapper that is a div. Get one of these things. So this is to-do list wrapper. Micro got this. So this is that. And then the child of that displays one. This page is in Polish. No, it's not in Polish. So I think I've done something wrong. I need to wrap a div in a div. Okay, so I don't know why that's entirely necessary, but I'm gonna let it happen. So div to-do list wrapper. I'm not importing my styles. Can you not be so strict? Good. It's very close. Then I need this SV. And that's a button as well. I'll make it a return button. File. Like okay. And then that. I'm just gonna put this at the bottom so I don't bother myself with it. SV. And then helpful little function there. And bada bing, bada boom. Does it work? Yeah, ish. We need to style. So I'm kind of repeating what I did here. I'm not planning or kind of left with. This code, I would definitely make a generic button style so that we don't have to repeat that. Oh. I also need to make this a flex of some sort, or at least the input, the span or space. Oh, I need this to display flex, I guess. How does this do it? So it's a flex. What? That just makes no sense. Okay. Right, there's a flex, right? And then so the item has a display flex as well as the border bottom. That's this guy. And this is the div. So we already have. Okay. The button should be outside of it. Okay. That's where I went wrong. Oh, here. I no longer have a delete. I know that's going to cause me. Come on. Look at that. That's beautiful. Is backlogged. Um, Then this guy, if it's I'm doing exactly the wrong way around. Pay attention to logic. I just can't understand why my you have, what I currently have. Um, Beautiful. Okay. All right. This feature. I'm gonna Google this. What do I actually want to do? Please tell me, Google. Yo, my internet is so slow. Jesus. Um, what about Draft.js? Yeah, I may not want to use Draft.js. I just need to read up on what this thing is because I don't have a good sense of. Mhm. Looks like I should issues with this. Um, Soa. All right, install and use it with the inner HTML, and then I have a handle page. I think I want to have any HTML. I guess that's kind of the point, right? So let's yarn install. I am using yarn. Okay. And then using this guy. And there. Edit. All right. have item.text over here. And I'll have this dot handle change. New method. Instead of handle change, I'm gonna make it a sister thing of toggle backlog because that's another similar field. Edit title, and let's create that over here. Edit title. Whatever. Need key, and then I also need the new title. Instead of, well, I guess I call it text now. For this stuff on the left. I'm not going to worry about that just yet. I just want myself to be able to change this. And so, whoa. All right. I have a bunch of logs. I don't think I call this. If I yeah. Wow. Look at that. Let's pull up the console and see that working in real time. My internet allows it. Just too slow. Slow at oh, what's this? Um, and then yeah, I'm not even gonna know which. Okay, so if I rename this A, B, it should update. So there looks like there's some delay. I don't know if it's my fault or theirs, but so I'm gonna keep going And I'm going to transition this to content editable as well, so I don't get all those warnings. So here. So same thing. Import content editable. It's the same thing down here. I have a content editable law. This is class name. End of the world if it's not the end of the world. It's the end of the world. Do um ugh, what is this? I don't know what I'm trying to do here. I don't have a key. I should have a key. What is the um it's routine ID. Okay, and then I need to make edit. Um, I'm just gonna try and call it from side here. Routine list. So cool. And then I copy this thing, put it in here, and then follow their naming scheme. Please don't yell at me. All right, weekly 3 becomes weekly 4. Very good. Align thing. Okay. Pretty slow internet. Good. All right. So, 5-minute break. All right. Okay, I'm back. A little longer than I wanted to, but and I'm fired up because this is working, yo. One of the things A, I can't delete. B, I can't submit because I removed the new entry thing, which I don't like. I don't like this and making a new thing. So I'm just gonna remove that ability. Um, so on this out, uh, where's the form? You're dead form. You're dead to me. All right. Sort things out. Jobless, and I'm gonna start by fixing it on the routine bit. So on routine, weekly and empty. Confirm. Uh, Mainly because I don't like the UX of this. I don't just so I'm gonna do that. Right? I mean, it is nice. And I just okay. So there's some keyboard binding um, going on. I mean, why even have these buttons if you're gonna do that? I'm not really sure. Okay, so let's have the weekly a try to adopt that by just adding. I was gonna try and disallow blank items, but different from how he has it, so I probably should not do that. I don't know. What do I really want to do? I really like this way of deleting, where you just delete stuff that is that's empty. So do that. In the meantime, I should not have things which are empty like that. I'm just racked with like indecision right now. So this is not really this is why it's unrehearsed because I have no idea. Um, and see that experience is so nice though, adding things like that. So, but when people enter line, so that means I need to have empty states, right? I just don't. Okay, too bad. Okay, so I'm like really what I want to have. Okay, where does add routine? Okay, so I have an add routine. Let's do the Apple enter binding. Mhm. Meta key, right? Okay. I just had a key. Key. Um, this before, and I don't remember. Also, key up events in React. I don't know. I just want to make sure there's a better way to do this. I could use. Oh, and I can actually just use on key up. So why not? To routine, and inside here, I just do on key up. This is key up. Oh, I just call it a ref. Just gonna console log it, and then we'll see what happens. And then the event, I definitely have. And key. Okay. So that should be a Reacty way of handling. And let's go Apple enter. Whoa, whoa. Can have undefined. So E and ref name. Ref name is actually E. What I was reading there was an old Stack Overflow answer, which is now deprecated. That is going to be one. Let me just reply to be deprecated. There. You know what? Let's try adding wrong advice. Gives us ref. Load. Whoa. Okay. Stateless function components can cells. I'm going to answer. I'm just going to make sure that this thing runs and be happy. So see, I pressed the meta key. Give me info. Enter is 13 and Apple is 91. So am I here? And I'm not getting a meta key. Let's see what's React meta key. Okay, so this is so the key always false. Mm, so mm, nope, that is. I mean, so how do I detect? So when I press meta and I lift enter, nothing happens. And then when I lift meta, it does something. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with okay, React keyboard combos. Don't give me a library. Okay, Casu. See. Okay, I'm gonna try on key down because that may be a better event. Um, paste thing. No idea. Ooh. Don't worry. I have no idea why. Probably should figure it out at some point, but I don't care enough. So on key up, when a key falls, the third if and and we do some business. Adding. So we need and we need add routine. Why just add routine with a blank value? delete this. And then I need to transfer the focus over. So let's just observe how the focus shifts. All right. So Apple enter. Ooh, it adds it to the top. Apple enter again. It adds it to the third thing. Fashion. I need to switch the focus over. I'm not sure I know how. So what the result of this ref gives me. Ref dot. Then I need to return. So Firestore ref dot add. Thank you for your service. Thank you. All right. So you should have a dot then, right? I probably need a better sort. I have a date. It's interesting. I may have to change my root meaningless to me. But if I sorted by date of edition, then I have the ability to always keep things. I have this issue because that just makes so much more sense. That means I have to blow away the old where is it? Old routines. So bye bye. And Jesus. Okay. So meanwhile, and the doc ref. Something, right? Dot then console x. Okay. And let's try to add things here. Something that's on my mind is I may have to similar if I refresh this planner. I no longer have the monthly routines. All right, so I need to make the monthly button work. Doing what I did over here with the should do this wrapping in a nicer way. Okay, so I don't need date. I just need the. I can actually use this. And the connect function has a map props to Firebase, and this stuff. I need add routine. Now, and the add routine now is available, including here. So props, right? So I want to props that variable. And I just won't deal with this right now. So, oh, I don't need value as well, because this will just always be blank. And then I just call add routine with whatever. And that is name. Either weekly or monthly routines. So that little bit, it should hopefully work. Great. Great. Routines. Where are they sorted? Which is fantastic for me. So this is routine A. There's routine A and routine B, and I'm going to sort them A dot date bigger than B dot date. I never quite know, but that's the sorting. So that if this ever loads, whenever I add a new thing, it always appears at the bottom. Capiche? Anything I add, so then I need to pass the focus down, and I have no idea how to do that. None of. I'm just not going to do it because I have other things I want to do, but that's it. That is a worthwhile work on exercise to the reader. I should also handle the delete case. So delete. Again, key code info. Delete, it's 8. And so it's clearly not. Do I have routine? I have routine. So if routine, no, I'm deleting this routine, right? So I need a way to delete. Do I have a way to see? That's easy. Delete routine. This becomes, I need a key, and then I need call delete. Need a key, right? And this basically has to be imported here. I will delete. I don't have to prevent default. And just go ahead and delete. Um, so I really should figure out the focus passing. Whoa. Heat go away. Oh, it doesn't. Why? Right, you want triple equals? It is not a sign of a bad programmer. I have to repeat that. Delete. Delete. See, that delete should go away. Why doesn't it? Not title. Huh. Maybe I get value. Delete. Value. So um, okay, so there's no target for handle key up. How to detect that there's nothing here? I think I have to just log out the whole E and see if I can see anything. I think I still. I still have. Because it's a keyboard event. Keyboard event. Maybe I have. Just roll with me. And then go. So eat up target is undefined. Eat up it. So if I do eat up target, I may have something. No. Okay, so first of all, if routine not title is empty, that's a good bet. You can delete it. Oh, boom, beat, boom. Uh, that's not a is it? And then I need React synthetic event in their HTML. My internet is so slow right now. HTML. Text on a key event. Val query isn't. No. Targets. Okay. Uh, new looks promising, but it's from 2008. What? This is the struggle. All right. This what if I did that? So the HTML, I might have to pass on this. I don't know how to do this. What is e.target, right? Like, what is handle key? That's a synthetic event. What is me down and the girls are pretty. Oh, just take me home. Maybe if I didn't do, then I wouldn't have this trouble. Maybe I'm being an idiot. So delete, delete. Routine title is still not empty, and but I have this thing which is not letting me. So what is this, right? When so login. I don't know. This is inspiration right now. Oh, won't you take me home? Take me home. I think I'm just gonna leave it because I can't solve this and I'm stuck. Yeah. Okay. Click type. Click type. About this is it. Do that. That's not good. So it's an on change. What's this? Um, so David Walsh always say during the day. Yeah. So this is the bounce. What am I doing for the debouncing? I'm doing edit title over here, and I need to debounce this because it's editing too often. Uh, da, 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 Okay. Now when I type, it leaves me alone. I type on other stuff and then go back and refresh. none of it is. This is one of those days where like nothing works. I think that's where the problem lies, and I could be wrong about that. That is what we're here for. And then a little bit more. $100. And then I'll console. I put this or. Oh God. The depth of my knowledge. I'm pretty sure refresh, this will go away. I think I misused the. Okay. See. Oh, it's executed. So knowing that I can debounce um, something like that. I don't know if that's a stupid idea, but that's what I'm going with. Func.apply. Ooh. Ooh. Some debouncing is needed here. Again, saying leave this with the terrible user experience right now. I feel like we had a better experience previously, but that's what we have. And then for weekly, I'm going to do the same. So if I hit, yeah, okay. All right, I'm going to spend a little bit of time 67. Uh, and do the refs for this thing. Past the focus. I mean, added element in React. Okay, so I added ref.id. So what can I do with the ID? Right? I can the autofocus field. React set. Um, this seems like it might do it. The autofocus prop. I really like the autofocus idea. Let's see if I can make use of it. So the most thing that was added, of some sort. The only problem is this whole thing is stateless. In here, I have a reference to the new document that was added. I then need to make sure is has a set state. Okay. If I just I don't know. I don't know what to do about this. What if in my current dates? Yes. What if would that be a bad idea? there is one state, right? Let me just say like at current focus goes to null. Right. So current focus being null gives me the ability to focus equals state dot current focus, and then I have to itself set equals to key that gives us this dot set state that gives us current focus key. Okay. So current focus 2 and that or this guy where the current focus dot set current focus docref.id. And then the current focus has an ID. Any one of these funks. I have to return that. Just, where is it? Any one of, there we go. So auto focus. Jesus. Props. So many things. Equals routine. Just to be clear about how I'm debugging things, I'm gonna have a console sky and default for most of them are true for one, and that's all I care about. If I add a new weekly, that shows me nothing. So, well, that's because JS doesn't have this code in it. Mm-hmm. 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 Take on to the grass is green and girls are pretty. Oh, won't you take me home? Yeah. All right, the rest as well. So meet the code and hello, complicated code. And focus. I don't actually even need current focus. I just need set current focus because add routine. That's the one I care about. Current date context is not defined, of course, because I have to. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, there, that current focus is not a function. Oh no, I totally said that current focus. What is it then? Um, declaring declare. You have it. Okay. Um, what else do I want to confirm? I want to confirm that this thing is what I think it is, because otherwise I don't think I know how to code. It's undefined? Is it undefined? Why is it undefined? Why undefined? Don't they know it's the end of the world? It ended when you took no, it's the end of the world. It ended when you. So, no, I don't. I don't understand why it's undefined. I'm at props base. Right. See what's stated. I have current moment and current. I'm doing something wrong with the prop passing. Oh, of course. Ah, I'm an idiot. Is not a member of state. Ah, silly boy. Here of state. That's the issue. So this thing had autofocus and it failed. Should have had autofocus on, but it failed. Um, and I'm not sure why. I'm spending a lot of time on this thing. Focus is a detail. Um, I'm not then because he Where's autofocus here? I mean, it should show up. Okay, so let's see if hello. Um, so this thing should have the autofocus. Autofocus true. There just doesn't really do. It does get passed down. It just doesn't respect it. That is annoying. All right, strategically move on because I don't know how to fix that. Let's just remove the console. And then let's go to we got a to do and gone on fairly long. So to do has nothing. It's just a note has just text that is tied to a particular date. Dumb to do. And the way we achieve that the end of the world. It ended when you took. So here I'm going to use the sort of polymorphic ability. So if the structure is exactly the same, so I can add a to do over here and a note over here. Really can say is note is true, and over here is note is false. And it will be falsy if it doesn't exist. So I can just tack it onto my existing data without wrecking it. The note, add routine, add note, add to do, add note. And this will just be blank. Add note, be blank. This will also just be, no, I need to know the card date. Well, good job. I already have knowledge of the card date. Knowledge. That you are, you're my shining star. Remains come backlog, so it is tied to date. So that's good. And then I might as well do one for backlog. where the date is null from the beginning. That kind of does it. So the notes properly for to-do list. Over here is to-do list.js. And so over here. If it's a note, there's no pointers and there's no checkbox. So I kind of have to put that. What else? That's kind of it. I do have to add backlog to do is not defined. What? Oops. Add my first note. Okay. I should have editing of the notes, but that's good enough for me. I think we have a more functional thing than we started with editing in the past. So I'm gonna study the source code a little bit more, and then we'll come back in a future date to do this. But the next time around, I think we'll do calendar search bar, and then I think we. Well, that was it. Thanks for tagging along, and I'll see you around.